To access the moderated messages panel, simply click the main menu, pending jobs, and then moderated. This opens a brand new panel. By default, all jobs that are pending moderation or awaiting action are shown by default. You can see a record of all moderated jobs at any time by clicking the dropdown and selecting all. They're color-coded to easily identify jobs that are still pending review, ones that have been approved, and ones that have been rejected. In every case, you can see who originally asked for the moderation in the sender column, as well as who took the action of moderating it. To moderate your job, simply click the one you want to action, click message, you can open it, and then take an action from there. You can approve, edit, or reject it. If you approve it or edit it, it will then go to be sent. Rejected, it will not. No matter what the outcome you choose to take, the original sender will receive a notification with your action. If you reject a message, you can also include some comments as to why you chose to take that action.